Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, not a whole lot of new things to talk about, assuming you watched a video that I did previously, but still a good time to kind of just recap a couple of these levels that, now have good solid confirmation behind them, meaning, yeah, this is not really any sort of, well, I think this might be how it is. No, this is definitely how it is, given that we now have more information, after today's price movement. So the first level here that was been confirmed as an area of resistance is via that red line right there, up there at $1.15. And we got that confirmation during that opening part of the day. Price was all over the place, and part of that, quote unquote, all over the place was getting rejected right up there at 115. Now, I'm not saying that the price can never, ever get back up above 115. I'm just saying that it's become very apparent now, and we have that confirmation that, yeah, 115 is certainly going to be a key area of resistance that you're going to want to watch very closely moving forward. So definitely continue to watch that. And then on the flip side of things, the other area where we got confirmation was down here in regard to that green line there at, what did I call it? The 98-cent mark. So you can see that earlier on in the day, the price spent some time right around there. And then late morning, once again, came down there, bounced from that area before getting a good solid upwards movement. Point here being that we have that much more confirmation at that 98-cent mark. So there's just going to be a whole lot of people watching these two levels moving forward. And I emphasize that because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what's going to be happening with those areas. So while nothing is guaranteed, it's more than valid to think that if the price were to get a break up through 115, that break could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. The flip side is also true, not guaranteed, but more than valid to think that if the price were to break down below that 98-cent mark, that could create some downward selling pressure. But overall, keep your eye on those couple levels moving forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.